Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to check your power steering fluid in this 2001 Ford Focus. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1AAuto.com. With your hood popped, your power steering fluid is located right here. Just take a rag, clean off the top. There is some fluid lines. You can see where it's full right there, and then the minimum is right there. Test it when it's cold, check it when it's cold. To pull the top off, just twist to the left, pull the cover off. You can look down in there and try to see. This bottle is normally a little bit transparent so you could see, but because it's old and dirty, you can't really see too well. So if I look down the bottle and try to see, it looks like the fluid level is right about there, so we should top it off a little bit. We get the appropriate power steering fluid for this and use a funnel and pour it in there and then put the cap back on. You're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.